Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that thumbs up at the bottom if you like reviews like this. Today I wanted to go ahead and test out the new Benefit Bad Gal Lash. I know Benefit has a few others that are kind of known, like the Roller Lash and the They Are Real line. So this is a new one that's supposed to volumize. The other ones are supposed to be lengthening. This one claims to volumize your lashes, which is something I look for in a mascara. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I zoomed you in. Let's go ahead and look at this. Let's see. The wand looks like this. So the product doesn't seem like it's really runny, it doesn't seem too thick, it kind of seems like it's the right consistency, the right amount comes out on the actual applicator. I actually really like these type of applicators that kind of start bigger and kind of taper off at the end. I think they give a really good result for what I'm looking for. So I already curled my lashes and I'm going to go ahead and start to apply. I usually apply under. So that's how it looks on my bottom lashes with just a few swipes. I didn't really have to work hard to get there, so far so good. So that's how it's looking on the bottom. So it's kind of clumpy a little bit. I got some on my eyelid. I'm not going to touch it yet. A good tip for that is if you get anything all over, just let it dry off and then just kind of take it off. It flakes off instead of like ruining your whole makeup look. So I'm just going to let that dry. So it is kind of clumpy. I'm going to see if I can clean that up with a spoolie after, which is usually what I do anyways. I do a lot of mascara reviews because I don't wear false lashes, and I see a lot of people do that, especially in the YouTube community, and I can't wear false lashes. If I usually wear my glasses, and if I'm wearing my contacts, a lot of the time my eyes will get really red. So yeah, I haven't really found anything that works in my situation when it comes to false lashes. Lashes can really step up your game with your makeup. So if you feel like your blending wasn't really good or your makeup's not looking like the best, if you put on some false lashes, it like takes it to that higher level. So I really do love them. It's just day to day, I'm unable to wear them. So I usually only do it for special events. So let's go ahead and see. This is one eye to the other. It definitely does build volume, and you don't really have to work really hard at it. It's not a wet type of mascara. I feel like this brush maybe doesn't like separate. What it's intended to do is like build that volume on your lash. Oh, there's some right there too. It is easy to get it all over your eyelid. Okay, so that's how it's looking. I was able to kind of just take the little flakes away that get on my skin, so that's actually really good. This does dry down really quickly, so when I touch it, it doesn't feel like it's still wet, so it's very quick to, you know, stay in place. I'm gonna use a spoolie and just kind of go through from behind like I would normally do for my mascara. But normally I would be putting like more layers of mascara. I wouldn't have just kind of done it the way that you guys just like saw me do. So I can tell that it builds really quickly on the lashes. It's really precise. It dries down really quick, so this could be something just in and out, and then just kind of go through with the spoolie if you see it kind of clumping too much. But I think it's really good. This is how I would probably just leave it, but I want to test it out further and see if you can build it after you've applied it, especially after it's dried. A lot of mascaras you can't do that. So let's see. So it does build on itself, but what the wand does is kind of just paint it on, is what I feel like. It doesn't really like go in and separate as it coats. So what you do get is some clumping. It's not as bad as others that I've seen, but what I would do is probably just go over like at the very tip and kind of brush it out. It is kind of flaking now because I obviously put some more coats that I probably didn't need to. I just wanted to test it out, test the limits. And I was very fine with just the way it was at the beginning. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the mascara on and tried to build it up. I think it looks okay now. I'll let you guys know what I think towards the end of the day. Hey everyone, so it's the end of the night here and I wanted to check in with you on the mascara. The mascara flaked on me, if you can see right there. Got a flaker. It feels fine. It doesn't feel any differently than any other mascara that I own. I don't really know what my thoughts are on it. I think I'm gonna have to wear it a few times to really see if it's a mascara I'll reach for more often. I think it's really volumizing. I do like the wand. I just don't know about the lasting power. I don't feel like it separates my lashes enough. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and I'll see you in the next one.